Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my review. Today I'm reviewing an oil diffuser, TaoTronics Essential Oil Aroma Diffuser. It's a humidifier portable aromatherapy diffuser. It came in this box, nicely packed. Let's open it. Let's open it. This is the warranty card. This is the manual. I think the other stuff is down, they're all down here. Yep. Oh. Out. This is the plug and the cup for measuring the water. Now let's have a look at the diffuser itself. This is it. It's got a matte finish. Very easy to operate. You just open the top. Let's put it down. You open this and you put some water in the measuring cup. Let's try and put some water in it. Not too much water, just enough to fill, to get it to this level. So we put some water in it. That's enough to test it. We close the top cap and we put the outer cap on it. We put the outer cap on it. Let's see. Oh, okay. This must sit properly and guide the vent to the middle before we close. And that's it. Now we plug it. I came with a UK plug, which is very nice. Let's put it in the mains. Now let's plug it. Put the plug down there. Oops, I dropped it. Let's put the plug in there. Yeah, there it goes. So we put on the light and the mist, and that's it. Now the light changes automatically. It has 7 colors, 2 brightness, low or high. Low or high. You can also put the mist on many modes. Either you can switch the mist off and just let the colors change on its own, use it as a decoration, or you use both of them together. It's quite good. Now, before you close it, after putting the water, you can put a couple of drops of oil in it. Oils are not expensive, a couple of pounds for about 30 ml. There are different flavors, different smells out there. So, and I've got a couple of these already, and they really work. They actually go around the house, depending on the oil you use. Yeah, depending on the oil you use, very strong ones will actually fill the whole house on just one little dehumidifier like this. I mean, the diffuser like this. It would fill the whole building, a normal building. So this is it. It's TaoTronics. TaoTronics always makes good good products. I've got about 10 of their products already. I really like their products. So, and also it has an auto shut off function. When the water runs dry, it will switch off automatically, which is a very good safety feature. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it on to work. It's an 100 ml container, so it will last for quite a while. Can you see the mist coming out? So it's quite good. It's a very good diffuser. It's a model TT/AD001. So, and it's not too expensive. It's only $15.99, which is very very good price for a diffuser like this. So I recommend it to everybody. Please check out the rest of my reviews on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you very much. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put Sun Valley excuse me, Sun Valley Tech UK. I'm gonna put their Amazon web link at the bottom of the video. So if you're interested in buying, just click the link at the bottom of the video and it will take you straight to Sun Valley Tech Amazon web page. So thank you very much. As I said, please subscribe to my channel and please click yes if you like the video. Have a nice day. I recommend it to everybody.